Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the essentials: a working Lightning or USB-C cable and an unlocked iPhone. Once connected to your laptop, you must tap Trust on the iPhone so the computer can access the device. Make sure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are on for device discovery, but the mirroring stream runs over the cable for reliability. Now open QuickTime Player on Mac, choose File, right arrow New Movie Recording, and move to the next step, where you select the iPhone as the video source. Once QuickTime is ready, click the Record drop-down arrow and select your iPhone for camera and optionally for microphone. That routes the phone's screen and sound into the laptop. You should resize the QuickTime window or enter full screen for a clean display and enable Do Not Disturb on the iPhone so notifications won't interrupt. If you need better latency, close heavy apps on both devices. Once done, you'll see a live feed. Proceed to recording or presenting from the mirrored screen. To finish, press the Stop button in QuickTime if recording, then choose File, right arrow Save to export your video. Make sure to safely eject the iPhone before unplugging the cable to avoid data issues. If mirroring fails, check the simplest things first. Repeat the Trust prompt on the phone, use a different cable, restart both devices, and update Mac OS or capture app drivers. If you still have trouble, try another USB port or test on a different laptop to isolate the problem.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.